You are watching the video tutorial of installation of our aerial fiber optic cable solution. It consists of following key products: ADSS fiber optic cable, tension cable clamp, universal pole bracket, stainless steel bandings, fiber cable slack storage, with addition compartments for drop cable, outdoor fiber optic distribution box, attached to cable storage. The box's design will ease the cable's termination or its distribution to FTTX networks. Fiber optic pigtails, adapters, fiber optic cassette splitter, outdoor fiber optic drop cable patch cord, drop cable tension clamp, drop clamp pole bracket with bandings, end user or last mile drop clamp with bracket, indoor fiber cable patch cord. The design of optical distribution socket simplifies the deployment of fiber optics. Watch the example of the fiber cable infrastructure system made of Jera's products.
Define your future. Study Fiber Optical Technology. IFERT. Institute of Fiber Optical Research and Training.
Cochin, Kannur, Palakkad, Delhi, and Hyderabad. Contact us. 701-22-33449. 8590-337003. Visit our website www.ifortindia.com.